What's up, my fellow gamers and PC builders? Today, we're gonna be building this beast of a machine, so sit back, relax, and enjoy some high quality Hollywood editing, top tier PC building.
Unexpected item in...
I mean, we might even throw a song in the background to keep you guys entertained while we do it.
You know me as the Rizzler, I'm the Panther dressed in black.
Also, if anyone is interested and or cares, this computer will be live on our website for sale, link in the description. It is only one of one, so it will never, ever, ever, ever be recreated. Quickly going over all the parts, we have the 9950X3D, the Asus ROG Strix B850A gaming Wi-Fi motherboard, 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, T-Force Delta, very nice. 1 terabyte Samsung 990 EVO, a Corsair 4000D RS ARGB case, and the Corsair liquid cooler. Thermaltake 1050 watt power supply, and we got the XFX Merc 9070 XT. Alrighty, time to get the motherboard prepped. So this is our third time using the Corsair 4000D RS case, and we're kind of in love with it. It has a lot of cool features like the infinity rail for AIOs, a built-in GPU support bracket, overall a lot of customized options, and it is available with the reverse connector motherboards. Even though we are not using a reverse connector motherboard for this build, it is still going to look top-notch. Also, the price on these things are a freaking snag. The classic 4000D ARGB costs $150 with 3 fans. The RS model is only $110 and you still get 3 fans in the front and an updated design. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get the motherboard and power supply into the case.
This broadcast was possible today by viewers like you. And now, a quick word from Marty.
Wow, it's Marty, and spring cleaning's right around the corner. We got deals that are hot, hot, hot. Spring cleaning, 100% off all cleanings on desktops, laptops, even consoles. So come on down and grab a free spring cleaning at Basic Plug. I mean, come on, it's free, baby. 1016 Union Road in West Seneca, New York, in the Southgate Plaza. All right, back to the video. Wow, 9950X3D Ryzen 9 L3 Vcache. Oh my God, these things are sold out, so hard to find, but we got them.
It's a 7. It says big 7 on the front.
Don't you dare criticize me, okay?
Time for the final boss, the 9070 XT going inside.
Buy, 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 sell, sell, sell. It's simple mathematics. You buy them, then sell them.
What do you think about the GPU crisis and all these tariffs?
Look, you know, the GPU crisis, it doesn't affect me, okay? I'm impenetrable. I get the deals on Marty. Oh, you see that? That's a good deal. Yo, Buster, what's poppin', baby? We can't get them. Pause. What do you mean we can't get them for 20 grand? Listen, if you're looking for a custom pre-built computer that's high-end, the best of the best, you know where to find me, baby.
The PC is all set now, and I don't want to bore you guys with any Windows installation or benchmarking, so just admire the beauty of this machine. Again, it is available on our website, pcplug.tech, and in store. It is one of one, and we do ship within the United States. So if you're looking for a high-end gaming PC, I definitely recommend checking this one out. Before we end this video, we do want to show you guys what's up and coming, what we got on the docket. We got a couple of cool videos coming up. We're revamping our Tier 1 and Tier 2 computer. We're doing a dual PC, water-cooled Corsair 9000D build. It's gonna be absolutely epic. So check those out. And we post weekly short videos. So for all you bingers out there, you wanna binge watch some computer content, definitely check that out. And yeah, that will be it for the video. Thanks for watching, and computers!